MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil, TireRack.com, and RockAuto.com.
We tested the redesigned 2022 Nissan Pathfinder back in September, and now we're welcoming it to our long-term fleet. During our road test, we found that it still maintains some of the rugged DNA the original Pathfinder is known for, with power to back it up. That comes from a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, putting down 284 horsepower and 259 pound-feet of torque to the four-wheel drive system. However, the real star is the new 9-speed automatic transmission, which replaces the CVT. Behind the wheel of this new Pathfinder, I feel like I'm driving a sizable SUV, and I didn't get that in the previous generation, which was heavy on the crossover vibes. Here, there's a commanding view of the road, just feels rock solid, and the switch from a CVT to a 9-speed geared transmission makes acceleration much more pleasing to the ear. The 13-speaker Bose sound system is also an ear pleaser. It's part of the Platinum model, the highest trim for the Pathfinder, which also includes 20-inch wheels, a panoramic moonroof, and tow hitch receiver, though we're most excited about what's on the inside, namely second row fold-down captain's chairs and wireless charging for our devices. On our lot for just a week now, we haven't driven enough miles to get a fuel economy average just yet, but we look forward to seeing how the new transmission helps the Pathfinder find its way to the suggested 23 combined MPG.